I tried to build a fully working digital automation system from scratch. Before I started, I set some non-negotiable requirements. This automation system had to be able to control a robotic vacuum cleaner, manage room lighting, secure and unlock a digital safe, and launch 3 downloaded applications, all from a centralized system. Okay, guys, the challenge has started. Time is ticking. We gotta make a folder. Okay, so let's make a new folder. We can name it Auto Control Flux. We'll name it Flux, maybe. No, Flux or yeah, I'll just name it Flux and then main. Yeah. Now I have to build our folder structure. Okay, yes, I trust them. Let's open close this. Now you have to make some files. We need components. Oops. We're gonna need excellent. We're gonna need an index, obviously. What else we might need? We'll obviously need a package lock. What else do we need with JSON? So I know we need a package. We need a post CS, just in case. We need a post CSS. We'll just add one. We'll add a config to the JS on it. What do we need a TS config? We'll just add one to be safe. Actually, a JSON? Yeah, right. We can do a tailwind config. Yeah, we can do a tailwind config, but wait, no, it can't be this. It has to be a S. Yeah, that's right. What else? Oh yeah, we can do ts config dot app dot json. If we're gonna make it a website, we don't actually have to add this right now. But I think we can make an app, so let's add that in case. I'll put hashtags in it later. Vite. Actually, do we need a Vite? Whatever. We also need a Vite. I'll try to put this in my old structures, because these are my old structures. This is how I usually structure my stuff before I add like public folders, src folders, and buns. Okay, so now I'm gonna code it. Skip to the montage. Got that done. Turned out, yes, it is a TSX and it has to be true. So I finished that. Now we're gonna work on index. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to probably change some stuff in here because I did put placeholder stuff and stuff. We'll work on the index and .html because I have no idea if we're gonna do it with a doc type or not. I finished the HTML. Now it is time to work on the tconfig. Well, that's over with. Now let's work on the tailwind. Okay, I think I finished most of the code. Now we have to connect this to our NAS so we can give data and signals via our NAS, so that it doesn't use all my computer space, you know. So I have my software open. We can use this to luckily I already had a NAS open because these are all RAIDs, I think. Oh no, these are RAID ones. Okay, whatever. I have 4 drives installed on this. It's a bit too much, but we can use that anyways. I got the IP blurred, so file explorer. Okay, let's make a new folder. We'll name it automation agent. Let's name it automation agent, Gino. There we go. And then we can make a new file. Let's put advanced .2.next .py. Okay, got that inside automation agent, and then let's add more files. Let's do a SSH error at cloud NAS. Great. Okay, then green, blue. Okay, we can put another folder in here for the connections, and then in here we can put hashtag authentication. We can put hashtag authentication for the authentication files, and then we can put mount to mount our NAS. Just mount -t NFS. Now we have to put my IP address. So or I can just put the name era underscore dev / mnt / era underscore dev. And then we can put my IP address via, in the middle. Because it's a NFS, so NFS, you have to go NFS, and then you can put my placeholder IP. This is not my real IP, so I won't do anything. Well, I'm still learning it out, so. Okay, we got that ready. That's that. So now that that's done, we can connect our IDE. It's already connected. Okay, it's already connected via our share. I'm gonna remove it and reconnect it because it wasn't working earlier. VS Code. NFS, yeah, and connect. Perfect, and connect. There, nice. Data controls. Now we can do the rest of our important stuff. Sync our data. It might take a little time. Just let that work. Okay, so it synced our data. We don't have to create a volume snapshot because this is not any like high data or anything. But I am gonna create a new backup. Wait. Oh, wait, I think I created it. Let's turn off automatic backup because we don't want it to automatically update my code whatever I'm editing the code. This is looking great. Connections. 22, 22 Okay, that's good. That's what we want. And now it should load the app. Okay, I'm gonna try to load the app and be right back. Okay, so it looks like it loaded. I hope it loaded my old versions because the old versions are very important in case I need to change some stuff. Okay, so the access code, hit support the channel. I needed to put that. So the password is. Wait, no, it would be. Wait, am I wrong? Then no. That's weird. Odd. Oh, there we go, guys. So it loaded. Oh, so it did load everything. That's perfect. But I'm not gonna load them just in case it might ruin the code. So I'll just load the working one. Ooh. Okay, so none of these things are actually working right now, but it looks like it's saying Alexa's listening. I don't even have Alexa anymore. But these work, these work, these work. We can launch Roblox. Did it launch? Wait. Okay, so it didn't really do anything. Notifications does not work. System is online. So okay, I see the problem. I definitely see the problem. Let me fix that. Okay, guys, moment of truth. I changed the index.tx and the functions web to open Roblox https.com. So let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Moment of truth. Oh yes, let's go. Okay, so it opens the Roblox app. Luckily that code fix works because we have to add two more working apps. So let me get to that, and I will be right back. Does that mean also if it launches, it doesn't close Roblox? Like if I click X out of it, but if I just click that, it'll turn off. What about VS Code? Let's try. Oh, okay. Where is it? VS Code. Where's VS Code? I already have VS Code open, but yeah, I probably opened it. But let's see. Oh yes, Edge even works. Edge works even faster. That's perfect, actually. Okay, so I have finished the challenge, everybody. At first, I wasn't sure it would work, but it does. Vacuum, lights, safe, apps, all responsive. Fully digital, fully automated. This is Era DevWorks.